Hello friends, in this circular we are telling about the conduct of UG or PG practical examination and UG project viva examination. So which will be conducted in the month of August September 2020. So it is a circular concern to conduction of the practical examinations and also the project viva. So those will be conducted. So that is given in as per the schedule. Uploading batch lists through the web interface by the departments and the approval of batches by the principal of respective institutions. So those will be done within the dates of 13th of this month to 14th of August 2020. Allocation of examiners by the principal of the respective institutions. So that is made between 14 to 16. Schedule of examinations, that is from 17 to 21. So in this month only, the practical examination as well as project examination should be completed between 17 to 21. So here some notes are given to conduct the practical examination as well as project viva examination. So due to COVID-19, the practical examinations for August September 2020 examinations are to be conducted by the both examiners from the same college. But both examiners from the same college. As per the special regulations, the regulations he has given, colleges are permitted to conduct the practical examinations with the internal examiner from the college and external examiner from the different college only in the case where suitable internal examiner is not available. If the suitable internal examiner is not available for the practical examination, then the colleges can give chance to allot the external examiner from the other college. The examiner allotment and change, if required, must be done by the principal. The appointment order, if not available through the web interface on or before 17th August, the examiner may download the appointment order when available and attach the same with a remuneration bill. The principals must ensure that the examinations are conducted smoothly. So, the preparation of making of practical batches. The department or the branch in which the student is studying shall create the batches for all their students. This includes the students of the first year belong to a branch also. So this point is very important. The department or the branch in which the student is studying shall create batches for all their students. This includes the students of first year belonging to the branch. The teaching department which conducts the practical exam has access to the batches created for the subjects taught by the department. The teaching department can combine batches or move students of one batch to another if required. For example, computer science and engineering department has created 6 batches in the physics subject with the 6 batches having 4 students. Mechanical engineering department has created 8 batches in physics subject with 8 batches having 3 students. In the above circumstances, the teaching department, namely physics department, shall move students from one batch to the other and leave one batch as empty. So this is only concerned to the subject, or you can say department. In the likewise, all teaching departments must take care of all the respective subjects labs and minimize the number of batches. So one thing we should understand that from this circular, the each and every individual students has to go take the practical examinations of their particular semester, and also for the final terminal semester for project viva. So if you want to have the thorough understanding of this particular content, you just go through this circular will be given in the description box. Thank you very much. Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel.